Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to use Nearby Share in Windows 11. Now the first thing we need to do is actually turn it on. So we'll go to the Startup menu here and then come to Settings. Once we're in Settings, let's go to System. Then we want to come down and we should find Nearby Sharing here. Now you want to My Devices Only or Everyone Nearby. You can save files as a receive to. You want to change this so if you receive a file with Nearby Sharing, they will go into this path here. You can choose the discoverable name. You can always rename it if you wish. I'll keep it as Lee. So once it's on, what we need to do, you can get rid of that. Let's say I want to share this image here. Right click it, and across the bottom here sometimes is a share icon. If it's not, come up and select share here from the menu. This should bring up Nearby Sharing. Now at the top here you'll be able to share it with anyone you have in your email or anyone who is nearby here. Nearby Share. You just simply select them and then you'll share this image with that device. So that's how to use Nearby Share in Windows 11. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.